Christine Joy. I am 32 years old from Philippines. I am single parents. I have a one daughter, 12 years old. My highest education, high school graduate. My experience is childcare. I work domestic helper in Hong Kong is 1 year. My clients I serve is 2 couples and 1 child. My duties is taking of children is cooking Chinese food, marketing, and washing and ironing and cleaning. During all household work like laundering and marketing, I'm willing to also take care of pigs. And to my future employer, mom and sir, please trust on me as your housemate because I am hardworking, honest, and fast learner. And I promise to be a good housemate and promise to be a prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir, and looking forward to work with you.